So guys, we move into our main events. So we'll start off with main event
Kickboxing.
not main event, main cards of tonight. So we are starting with Prajwal Manvi from Team Karan. First main card of the day. We are in for some exciting fights, guys.
Here's Rajwal in the red corner. Getting ready to get in the cage.
And fighting on a blue corner from Team Coin, Hussein.
Say in the blue corner.
Hussein from Team Koi Combat. Um, and we are going to start with our main cards of tonight. Prajwal Manvi versus
Guys, it's
Hussein.
not a wall. Guys, it's not a wall. Please don't lean on it. It's not a wall.
Referee Bonnie explaining the rules.
वॉल नहीं है गिर मत जाना वॉल नहीं है वो पीछे
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Exciting. I'm
Looks
very
like
excited.
These are more experienced fighters.
Yes, I think so.
I am expecting more technical fighting from these two fighters.
Nice inside leg kick by Prajwal.
Rajwal is asking Hussein to engage. Rajwal's midsection is open. He's open for a kick to his face. He should be careful.
Oh, nice straights. They are going wild. Some wild exchange from both fighters. But Prajwal is really opening himself to a lot of counters. Is that a knockdown? Oh, that is a. I think that's a slip. Yes, that's a slip. Head kick attempt by Hussein.
Rajwal leaves his guard down when he's kicking.
Yeah.
That can be
Countered
timed,
very easily
yes.
with a cross.
Right.
Body hook by Prajwal. Leg kick by Prajwal. The jab is connecting on Prajwal by Hussein. Some good shots by Hussein. Oh, Prajwal with those wild punches.
Nice Superman punch by Hussein.
So when Prajwal is stepping forward, he's getting connected by the counter jab and crosses. But when they're trading, Prajwal is able to land those overhands sometimes.
Prajwal is absolutely loading his punches, so there are two problems. First,
Counters,
yeah, it can be seen coming.
Yeah.
He can be countered, and he will get tired.
that is true. He'll get tired.
He's trying to knock out Hussain, but it can be his punch can be seen coming.
I agree. He's telegraphing his punches. Nice inside leg kick. And we go into round 2.
What do you say? Who do you give to this round?
So I would say Husnain, it's Husnain, right? Yeah, Husnain landed more cleaner strikes,
Yeah.
let's say. But if volume is to be considered, I think Prajwal was more aggressive. More was because I think I don't know if control like how aggressiveness, how the judges are saying the aggressiveness. Prajwal is more wilder but more aggressive. And the volume of punches also I think Prajwal landed more punches.
Yeah.
But Husnain landed more cleaner shots for sure.
Yes, yes. I think a lot of Prajwal's attacks were
Wild
ineffective.
overhands,
Yes,
hooks.
yes, nothing landed.
Yeah, probably consumed a lot of energy as well.
Yep. Now we'll see the effect of round 1.
Down one.
Prajwal is sweating. Sweating hard. He's sweating really hard.
Husnain is trying to go for a feint, but I can see it coming. Like we can see it coming.
Yeah. Too obvious.
Too obvious.
And the thing is that he keeps doing it again
Yeah,
and again.
again and
So,
again.
you know,
So
he
it-
should mix it up.
It's a tell.
Yeah. See, he does it again. Again.
Yeah, see again, and you can see
Again.
Prajwal is just standing.
Yes.
Nothing. It's not affecting Prajwal at all.
Nice counter. In fact, Prajwal can time Hussain because he keeps doing that feint, right?
Feint,
He's not
right,
attacking.
exactly.
At least 3 times he does it.
Yeah.
Watch, he does again.
Again and again. Yeah. And
He
again.
should- Prajwal should attack him.
Yeah.
So he'll do it again. Again. Prajwal should get close.
See again.
Yes.
That feints are not working.
Yeah, and he keeps doing it again and again. So it becomes predictable. Then that's a good time to counter it.
That's again. Those Prajwal is throwing wild hooks, and I'm impressed by the stamina though.
One thing I've noticed that these guys did not throw any leg kicks. Have they thrown any leg kicks?
They have thrown leg kicks, but they haven't been that effective or that mostly used. Nice cross landed by Husnain on Prajwal. I think now Prajwal is getting a little tired.
Yep.
Nice leg kick by Prajwal. Prajwal is tired for sure now.
Shooting very hard. He's tired.
Now he's just wildly swinging. And that's the thing, the stamina is getting Now the punches, even if they land, are not going to be that
Yeah.
powerful.
Punches are now gonna be slower, and they're going to be less effective as well. Roswell leaning against the cage.
Karan going in there to guide his fighter, guide Prajual. I think stamina will be a big thing now in
Yeah.
round 3 because towards the end Prajual was tired for sure.
Right.
And it's those wild hooks because round 1 definitely Prajual threw more number of punches. Not maybe cleaner, but more number of punches for sure. We'll have to see how fresh does Husnain comes out of his corner. What do you think about round 2? Who would you...
Round 2, I think it was pretty even.
Pretty even? I think towards the end I'll give the edge to Husnain. Round 1 I would say it was pretty even. Final round.
Last round, come on!
Body kick landed by Husnain. Nice catch by Prajual. The kicks are very telegraphed, I would say.
And also, it's landing at a very wide angle.
Nice. Deep attempt by Prajual.
Weak push. That's
Deep
how
push,
I would,
yeah. It was more of a push kick.
Yeah. That's how I would describe it.
But like every kick that goes to the stomach takes something out of the tank.
And a weak push is a good opportunity to catch it and counter.
Nice leg kick. See, I would say Husnain cannot just rest right now.
Yep.
Oh. They land back. Oh, that is clean. Prajual is loading up on that right, which is not a great thing, honestly. That rocked! Prajual rocked Husnain. That rocked Husnain. That rocked Husnain for sure. That was a clean shot. Swinging, but that landed. That swing landed.
Last minute, come on!
Now, but Prajual is getting tired. He has to just... See, Prajual is still keeping himself busy.
Both of them are really tight. Not able to throw punches properly. Neither
At
kicks.
least he should keep his guard up. Prajual should last and fight till the very end. Nice. And fight ended. Let's see what the judges have to say about this. But what are your thoughts, Yapa?
Very hard to say, man.
I mean,
The thing is,
I would say it's a hard to call fight, honestly.
yeah. Prajual has landed some good strikes, but his was not clean.
Yeah, but like the fight is not genuinely scored on technique. It's scored on who landed more number of punches, knockdowns, aggressiveness. And now the significant strikes matter as well. I don't know how much, because I would say this: Husnain also landed some clean strikes,
Yeah.
some good jab, cross.
And
But
then
was it
Superman
enough?
punch also landed well.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe it will go to Prajwal.
Maybe. Let's see.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's a hard to call fight. It's a hard to.
Especially they just I don't know how they look at it.
Because there was no clear one-sided dominance by any of the two fighters. So let's see. I'm waiting. We are waiting for the result. Let's see who's gonna come out on top from here.
Okay, so the winner by a split decision
Split
from the blue corner,
Oh.
Maybe I said it was pretty close.
I think Prajwal is disappointed. He's stuck. Frozen.
He fought well.
Yeah.
Both fighters fought well.
He could have gone definitely to Husnain's way also.